to fix Facebook code not received, easy and fast. So all what you have to do, guys, is open the settings page on your phone, and then all what you have to do is scroll down until you find this option. It's called apps, and then click on it like this and go to apps again. Right here on this page that it will show you, right here you will find all the apps that you have downloaded on your phone. As you can see, scroll down, click on Facebook, and then click on the data usage option. Scroll down and make sure to enable all those options right here. Make sure that all of them are enabled, and after that go back and go to the storage right here and click on clear data and clear cache. And after that, all what you have to do now is click on the force stop and reopen Facebook, and the problem must be solved. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.